Hi everyone, another great tutorial for you. My name is Dorota, Palicka, International Nail Artist and Educator here, and today we are going to do an easy design for a change. You can have a wee preview of it in here. So not over the top, not too complicated, and I hope you will really enjoy watching this tutorial. If you do, let me know down in the comments below, and I'm looking forward to reading all your comments. Let's start! You can see it, the zoom in, so it has like a wee dimension, like especially on this one where we have done some different foil in the background and then slightly different design on top of it. It looks really nice. I'm actually zoom it in so you can see it, guys, more. And then just some leaf on the pinky. I will show you how to recreate these looks. So on the fan we are going for full coverage of the black, and I'm using 183, which is a black ink. I love those type of designs for autumn because they are kind of pretty easy, but nice and effective. Okay, and then cure it. Then on this one, which is a ring finger, we are going halfway. So I'm going to use the white, which is 173, because we need some inhibition layer to transfer a transfer foil. I'm just going to go like a triangle shape. I really like those triangle shapes because they look so nice from the cuticle area. Okay, so those kind of triangle shape, and then cure it. And then this one we will do it, what we will do it, just plain black, maybe with something on top. Got some dust in there. And then cook it. So for the transfer foil to work for the inhibition layer, I'm curing the nails from 30 to 60 seconds. Each of you've got different lamps, so I suggest you kind of test it, what works best for you. I'm cutting a small piece of the transfer foil, and then we are going to transfer it. Okay, so I've got those gold transfer foil, and then in the middle we are just going to transfer it. I don't want to transfer it kind of even. I want those crack effect. But basically on the gel polish you wouldn't even get like those 100% coverage. Maybe on some of them it would work. I'm using always foil design gel for that kind of part. Let me do one more in here. Okay, so and maybe one more there. And then after this part, I'm going to apply the top coat. It looks nice, even just like this, guys, like for autumn. You don't need to do much more over it, even just a wee leaf in a corner, and basically that's it. Pretty nice design. Okay, then we've got this one. So I'm going to transfer the foil exactly the same way, but it's going to stick it only to the white parts. It's a very quick design, and I definitely will be using a lot of it in a salon, because that's kind of designs you want to do on your clients, something which is not overly taking too much time. Okay, next part is to put some striping tape. So I've got the striping tape in here. It's always so fiddly to do it, the striping tape. I quite like to use also the silicone tool for pressing the striping tape down. And then once I'm happy, I'm going to cut it. And then do the other side. And then cut it. I like the fact that we've got 3 different kind of autumn colors of the shiny stuff. So there is like a kind of orangey copper color on the striping tape. Then we've got the gold, and we also got the rose gold. So 3 different ones. Okay, I'm just going to make sure the striping tape is secure. And then we can paint the other part in black. So I'm using again 183. I will do this with the striping brush. So first of all, just applying like enough to cover the free edge, and then moving into my D-liner brush to perfect it. Let me grab some on my mixing palette. You could do it also like paint it black first and then put the striping tape to hide the joint in between the white and black. And when working with black, you always have to remember, guys, you cannot put it too thick because they are really highly pigmented colors. But I'm happy because I can get a really nice coverage in a one coat, which is a huge time saver. I'm going to cure this one. And then let's do the next part of the design. Actually, let's quickly transfer the transfer foil on this one. So we'll just keep it a plain kind of with 2 different type of transfer foil. So I'm just going like a little bit of the gold, and then in some other places a rose gold. And we've got those rose gold transfer foil on our website as well. You have to, guys, have it. Like, it looks absolutely amazing. So now top coat. So just top coated this design. And even like this, as I say, it looks awesome. Cook it. Now on this one, I'm just going to give it a couple scratches. So the top coat is going to stick in to the design which we have created. I'm going to also secure the tip really well, because for the next part I'm going to press it a little bit harder. Okay, clean it, and then the foil design gel. You guys know I love using this product so much. It's one of my favorites together with the paint on French. Because the ideas are endless, like totally endless, and I love the look of it. So I'm just cleaning my brush, and then we are going to paint some leaves in here. Okay, so I'm just picking up a small amount of the product and painting some leaves. I have created a really nice design, like where there was a double layer gold with some animals in it, and that's the same technique I have used. So I have used transfer foil over transfer foil, and it gives really nice results. It might be hard to catch it on the camera, to show it like the effect, but in real life it looks absolutely stunning. It's almost like an embossed kind of looking design, so absolutely beautiful. You have to, guys, also keep sharing the videos for me. I'm pretty pleased, just to give me a little bit more motivation, so where we've got more views. And also, if you're new in here, hit the subscribe button, as there is lots of tutorials and I put lots of heart into creating each of them, lots of different ideas, so I would totally appreciate it. Okay, I have painted just quickly a couple leaves, and now I'm going to cure it. So I'm curing 30 seconds on the slow settings, but again, curing is the main thing, so I suggest you kind of play with your design and check what is the best curing for you. So now we are going to use this rose gold over the gold foil. I'm cutting a small piece, my tip is curing, and then we will transfer it. So I used to clean the transfer foil on the back with the blue scrub to remove any dirt, and that always helps to transfer better as well. But obviously the more you do it, the easier it becomes for you. It's a matter of the practice, like anything. So I'm placing the foil in between my fingers like this, and then I have to press it nice and strong, and at the same time kind of massage it, because the design is almost 3D. Hold it so my heat from the fingers heat up the gel a little bit as well, and then peel it off. Had some cold, which I had to stop. Okay, and then you can see it, which part has transferred. Then go to the top. Doing it on the stand is pretty difficult because the stand is kind of moving, so it's good to hold it from the opposite side. But doing it on the clients is the much easiest way because their nails are stabilized. So I have transferred those gold, and you can see it. Oh yeah, actually camera is showing as well. So it gives really nice nice results, like an antique, almost antique design. Really beautiful. Now we have to secure everything with the top coat. So I'm just applying the top coat through the entire tip, and then cook it. Basically all what we have to do is, this one is ready, and I'm just going to keep it plain. So we've got one plain for a change, because I feel like it looks pretty nice too. Then on this one I'm going to quickly paint those leaves, and we will keep them black. So basically in a one set you've got a couple of the ideas. For this part I'm using the D-liner brush. It's so awesome for those kind of work, like all squiggles, lines, leaves, all really kind of quick designs. I would still call it as a very easy design. Well, pretty nice and effective. Okay, cook it quickly. Then this one is ready as well, so I can just peel it on our display board. No, I have no... Oh, okay. And then this one, I should actually cook it a little bit longer, so it's not cured fully. So carefully over the leaves so I don't smudge them. Apply the top coat so I can show you the full final set. But what I like about it is that you can, guys, from this set, you've got like 3 different ideas. No, let me do it properly. Okay. You've got 3 different ideas, so basically you could paint all the entire nails and black, and then only do those kind of design on 2 fingers. or you could paint them all black, and then maybe, or on all of them, you could do this design, and then you could also do this design, painting them black, white, or even like a gold glitter. Oh, actually, this glitter would go really nice as well. That's 192 shooting star. And I show you this glitter, guys, because I think it will look really nice with this set too. It's kind of like a rosy gold glitter. So that's what go really for autumn as well. It's a must-have, definitely, for autumn time. And then the next nail, which we have finished. Actually, I have swapped the nails, so it looks better. There we are, and that's the set which we have created. A beautiful autumn time with transfer foil, really nice. I'm sending you lots of glittery hacks, and bye for now.